Yo! So we got a very special video. My boy Critch dropped the Critch tape, man. It's not jug season, but hey, I'm here for it. Today we got a tune called Blender. You're gonna see how my boy came on this shit. We reacted to Talk. We also reacted to Buggin', I think. This don't have a video, but any of the real J Critch supporters out there know. Shit, when the boy drop, it's a movie, it's a party, man. We up, we lit. Still need my feature, but just cool. Soon come. Building some leverage for myself. Y'all done revise. If y'all fuck with the channel, make sure y'all hit the like button. Subscribe as well. You check, you see me, you don't know. The boy had Skilly Bang on his thing too. I'm gonna actually react to that one as well. But hey, we gonna see what's going on with Blender. Critch low! Don't disappoint me, my brother. I'm Buggin' was mid. Alright, the guys, yeah. Rest in peace. Rest in peace to all the loved ones lost, man. Rest in peace to Will. Y'all don't know. OM. Tired on my shit. For my boy. You check? Hey, fallen soldiers. Stand up.
I could never stress a loss. I ain't worried about it cause I'm having shit. In the spot I'm looking for the baddest bitch. Eating good at table for the savages. And I'm not with the he say, she say, shooters run down with the sticks like relay.
Yeah. Ooh! I ain't with the he say, she say, shooters run out with the sticks like relay. I relay my nigga down, bro. You should have said pose though. Big Toolie put you in the blender. Shit, y'all hear that beat though? That beat's kind of trash. I'm not even gonna lie. J Critch, who did your beats on this album, bro? Was it a range of producers, just one? And where the fuck is the Lab Cook, bro? Why are you not jumping on the Lab Cook's beats, bro? Y'all heard Rich Forever outro? Hard.
Don't be a hero, that's not the Avengers. My brother going out, we gotta avenge him. And if they spin, we return them to sender. And that's God, nigga. Give it back to my moms just for them days. Used to pray to God with
yeah.
The reason why I go hard with it. Clips loaded in the car, tinted. Chip reading all the cars hitting in this real shit, bitches authentic. Crib with the pool, my wrist on jacuzzi. No niggas changing their life off the UE. Everybody whip, I can't fit in a 2C. I gotta put on my trust in my toolie. Word about niggas start singing like 2C. I could never stress a loss. I ain't worried about it cause I'm having shit. In the spot I'm looking for the baddest bitch. Eating good at table for the
yeah, that part fucks me up, bro.
He say, she say, shoot.
That same fucking beat, that fucking kick pattern fucks me up.
For the baddest bitch, eating good at table for the savages. And I'm not with the he say,
she say,
run down with the sticks
like relay.
Hey!
Hey!
Let me talk to the trenches. We was trapping right on the park bench. While you pushing your kid on the swing, we was pushing whatever you mention. What you need, we got low and expensive. I pop out and I'm looking expensive. See the token, I'm feeling the tension. Big Toolie put you in the blender. Top down in the middle of summer, my wrist is still in December. I don't like these niggas and I'ma make it known, but it's only the members.
Okay.
Big ice on the chains and I wear this shit wherever, whenever.
Yeah.
Shorty pull up back there, she try to come.
Yeah.
To remember. She a picking no feathers. I was broke, had a drip in the sketches. Niggas pussy, they itching the tab. Brody still in the kitchen.
Nah, look at that kick pattern nasty. J Critch can just glide over a beat, bro. I'm not even trying to dick ride or nothing, bro. The man, he can glide over a beat, bro. He gonna get his roses real soon. This song ain't the one, but hey, he's riding the beat, although the beat ain't even all that. Yay! Yay! Yeah. tape.
Be on hoodie on me, look like a towel. Water on me, it's a beach day. Do a fade, let me talk to the trench. We was trapping right on the park bench. Why you pushing your kid on the swing? We was pushing whatever you mention. What you need, we got low and expensive. I pop out and I'm looking expensive. See the token, I'm feeling the tension. Big Toolie put you in the blender.
I was 7, bro. He made the beat. The beat didn't make the song. But shit, he dropped another thing with Skilly Bang. Make sure y'all go lock in with the boy Critch. If y'all are supporters of the boy, just dropped a new tape. Fire, bro, from what I've heard so far. Blender, I haven't heard this one. It's alright. You know what I mean? But where's that jug season, boy? I'll see y'all next in the next upload. Y'all done the vibes with me. Shout out to boy Critch, man. Let's